As I've started to show you other artists' work in screen printing, I'll show you some more. Then we can finish this course in high spirits and with some great inspiration. I want to start with the work of Derek Art. Derek loves tiki art, and he uses a very traditional technique for his 60s style designs. Next is DKNG Studios, who, although they don't dedicate all their work to screen printing, they're real masters in textures, and they get amazing results using just 2 colours. Like this poster, for instance. A studio I've discovered recently is the Little Friends of Printmaking. I love their work, it's really fun and carefree. Jim Madison is another artist that really gets the most out of silkscreen printing. He plays around with textures and special inks like fluorescent, semi-transparent, sprays. Next is Kindred Studio. Although they only work with screen printing occasionally, their designs always look like they're meant for this technique. In this poster, we can see how they've also used a special paper with bright colours to get a psychedelic effect. And let's finish off with Yeah Studio, who I mentioned earlier. Every time they print on fabric and paper, they use silkscreen printing. Even their portfolio is a digitally screen-printed book. So if you have time, take a look at the portfolios and work of these artists and studios and enjoy their awesome designs. So that's all we have time for on this course. I hope you enjoyed it and you found it useful for your future projects. So I'll see you next time. Bye!